Okay, let's solve a question as per the student request. Create a Abel tree. It given some month names. Okay, month names. So already you have to know from Abel tree how to insertion is performed. Insert a node as per the binary search tree. Binary search tree like this. Abel tree also insertion is performed. Then configure means figure with the balance factor. If it is imbalance, then balance it using the different type of rotation. Four type of rotation is there: LL, RR, LR and RL rotation. For LL, it is perform the right rotation. RR, it perform the left rotation. And LR, two rotation is required, that is RR and LL. And from RL, it required two rotation, LL and RR. Okay, this thing already discussed. So let's solve. So first insert March. Okay, so the balance factor is 0. Then insert May. Then the insertion is as per the what? Binary search tree, so that whenever May will be come, we have to compare with the alphabetically. MA same, but Y is according to the dictionary. Y is alphabetical order. It is greater than, so that it go to the right side. Okay. Okay. Next March, May, November will become. So November greater than this, N greater than this, then November is here. So each time we also calculate the balance factor. Here it is balance factor is 0 and this is balance factor is 0 and minus 1. Already balance it because the balance factor is allow either 0, plus 1 or minus 1. So in this case calculate what is the balance factor. Here it is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is what? 0, 1, 2, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 or not. For this left subtree 0 and right subtree 1, 2, so 0 minus 2 minus 2. So that means this node is violated the rule. This is the violated node. So next, what is the rule? I am already telling that. So this is the violated node. Then see which is the newly inserted node. Here is the newly inserted node. So we go forward in this direction and consider two hops. That is one hops, two hops. Then what type of nomenclature you have to find? This is right. So this is your right nomenclature. For the right nomenclature, we perform what? A left rotation, and this go to the upper. So after the rotation, we find what? May will be here. This will be go to the left side of the May, March. Okay, and this is the November. Okay, the BST property is also satisfied. See, this is the less than in the left side and right side is the greater than. Then what is the balance factor here? 0. For this 1 minus 1, it is 0. Satisfy. Okay, then August will become. Okay, so according to this, August will be, according to the BST property, August will be entry here. Then what is the balance factor? This is 0, this is plus 1, this is 0 and 2 minus 1, this is minus 1, 2. Okay, so next this is plus 1, 2 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, then next insert April. See, I am not showing this binary tree insertion how to. You already know that how to insert according to the, you have to search. If it is less than, then go to the left subtree. If it is greater than, go to the right subtree. So that if you show each step, then the video size will be increases. So that you have to construct how, you have to already know that how the binary search tree is constructed. Here you have to only discuss how the rotation is performed. So after April is inserted, then the binary search tree is okay. So after April insert is the binary search tree, then calculate what is the balance factor here. It is 0. Okay, then for this it is what? Plus 1. Then for this 2 minus 0, that is plus 2. Then for this, okay, see, whenever you find a violated node, no need to go from other. Okay, whenever we find a violated node, no need to calculate for balance factor for other node. Okay, you already find this is the violated node, so that this is the violated node and this is the newly inserted node. Okay, then what happened? I'm telling go towards the newly inserted node and consider two hops, one hops, two hops. So what is the nomenclature? This is LL nomenclature. So for the LL nomenclature, what happened? We perform a right rotation. This go to the upper. So what is the tree here? See, May is as it is. Okay, so here is the middle node is there. So this go to the right side. Then August is here. Then April is here. Then this go to the right side. March. Okay, next November. Then calculate the balance factor. It is balance or not? Okay, it is balance. Next is after January insertion in the tree. See, okay, January is inserted here. So after January inserted, then calculate the balance factor here 0. What is the balance factor here? It is plus 1. What is this balance factor? Is 0. For this 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. Okay, this is 0. Then from this 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, then plus 2. So here is the violated node. Okay, here is the newly inserted node. Then we go towards in this direction and jump 2 hops, 1 hop, 2 hops. What type of nomenclature you have to find? This is your what? Left. Then this is your what? Right. Okay, that means we find what type of nomenclature? LR. So LR, what happened? First you perform the RR rotation, then you perform the LL rotation. Okay, let's try. See, this is your R. Okay, this is your R. Then imagine this is also this is a link and this is also a node, or here null is there. So this imagine this is R and this is RR. We perform the RR rotation. For RR rotation, what happened? We perform a left. For RR nomenclature, we have perform a left rotation. So this is a left rotation and this go to the upper. So what happened after this? See, March is here. Then this go the August R will be go to the left side. August will be go the left side. Okay, clear? Then what happened? August right, left side, April as it is. Okay, then this go to the this side. So what happened? The left side of the January, the left side of this January, March left side is go to the August right side. Okay, so this will be changes. Then this will be as it is. That means May will be this and this, November will be this. Okay, so only after one rotation RR. The next rotation what? LL. Here is the L, here is the L, next L is here LL. This is the middle node. So after the LL rotation, LL nomenclature, what happened? We have perform a right rotation and this go to the upper. So see, here March is there, middle March is there. Okay, then left side August is there. Okay, then April as it is. Okay, January as it is. Okay, then this will be come to the right side, means May will become right side, then November is your right side. Okay, so after the LR rotation of this tree, we have to find finally this. Okay, LR rotation of this tree, first RR then LL, we find this tree. So this tree calculate the balance factor 0, 0, 0. This is 0, this is minus 1, 2, minus 2, this is 0, balance. Okay, then next what? December. Okay, so December is go. Okay, which side? At January. According to the binary search tree, you have to check it. This go to the left side. Okay, then check, this is the 0, this is plus 1, 0, minus 1, this is 0, this is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3 minus 1, this is plus 1. So after inserting December, see, the balance factor will be not violated the rule. Any node not violated the rule. That means the tree is already balanced. Next insert July. Okay, next is July. Okay, so according to the BST, July is inserted here. Then what is the balance factor here? 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Then here minus 1, 0, plus 1. Okay, after insertion of July, it also give a balance tree. No need any rotation because all the nodes are balanced. Next go to the February. See, in this tree, February is inserted according to the binary search tree. February is inserted here. Okay, then calculate what the balance factor. Here is the balance factor is 0, and from this balance factor is -1, and from this balance factor is 0, this is +1, 2 minus 1, this is 0, and from this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 3, this is -2. Okay, here you already find the balance factor here, -2, violated the rule. No need to calculate from other. So see, this is your violated node and this is your newly inserted node. Go towards in this direction. 2 hop, jump 2 hop, 1 hop, 2 hop. What is this? This is your right and this is your left. That means it is a RL nomenclature. RL nomenclature. For RL nomenclature, what happen? We have to perform first LL rotation, then